ritukorio bochenu wabo goseri manyikanite buna menstrual hygiene day airo rwente ko bachitarike 25 cyakiro mutinyo gatano nigo lyarenge ritukorio igoro korende asenge njuri ritukorio igoro lyarenge weekend lyabali gochengerwa ritukorio lero ase county ya Kisii awase serikali ye county ya Kisii kubwatirana nebyombe ao byesoke na gochengera ritukeri na nene kwenana ebitamba byo bochenu gochiase abasbati anene abana banyaruka bechiskuru
na kolengana na bwatani kurwase byombe amone serikali ni gobona banyarire kuboria abali bakonyara gokonya banyare kurigereria umwana munyaruka naso konyara kwa watokera ebitamba byo bochenu eli konyara wekonya chinga kichiri bare ase chiri tuko ryo bochenu na boni go kubori wonse kwa rugo cha sabwatani bonse kone kona kubwatira na bare aso konyara kone kyangosira baro mwana omunyaruka
nanya boni ga basbati na boiga abana banyaruka baburiwe gutuguterare amangana yabereka gotebekana yo burimo ko bwatkana ne chinga kichiri kero bare asama tukabo ose ogotumye bitambe bya bochenu muri ketonde mo Stephen nabaga kubwatoro botyoru natigatoywe na raya yatwarganiretie
county ya Kisii nigo yagwatana kibirengererio ne chinse mo chinde chiense gochengera ritukorio bochenu bwa basubati World Menstrual Day. Ababwatani korwe byombe aho bikwegerera amangana arengeta abasubati nigo baikirana ensemo ya Kisii University asomo chengorero okorekanira.
This is a day that has been celebrated since 2014 and for Kisii County this is the biggest magnitude we are marking this year. This brings together various partners from non-governmental organizations, governments, individuals and organizations. This event is meant to sensitize the community for this event because menstrual hygiene in this community is a rarely spoken.
Serikali niwe yasegetirwe gosiremero beribuneye asogo sekererwa no konengetwa kwa basubati abaiseke engakibarasa matukabo kwa gikerubo kongu.
We are committed and that's why we are here. We are committed towards ending menstrual stigma. We are committed towards ensuring that our girls and women get good environment during the menstruation. Kwamba menstruation is a normal process ambayo inafanyika katika wanawake inayoanza katika umri wa miaka 8 hivi 9 ikielekea hadi miaka 50.
Bakitu acherega mpaka abana be skuru basemiwe enaande batebunga yebi tamba ebigotoka edibanya ko bakubitumia kenga kichabo kero bakorolera tobati tamba awo biba kutumia alimo yani bakoroka one touch and mbiro reusable agotumia na ndosibi and mbiro bigo chokorosu biodegradable bigo beyond mbiro bigo togotebia serikali erusi tax gosinaende onge konyara ena ne bitamba ibosa ochiasa abana be skuru
ebimira no kwege no kobe kubwatikane na basubati ko basama tukabo nigo gwakanwa bokongu asebyombe byikirana byarwe ira yogosemia abantu asamangana arengaine no bochenu bwa basubati.
Tokere tokoroka myths and misconceptions. Tokoroka ebimira beito abantu bakagerete birebibe. Mona bono monta kara kogenda mugondo akagere kara uchikwa chinyine kara kororera rangi chingeni na bachikunyara ko. Ose omoise ko kororera rangi boso mongina tatakeri kwenda sinda goge kyagara korunga tarimo sali. Leke ntokyo mairi abantu abange babate banga tokunyara gusamba party sechiga bagotumeka. Ngo gusamba tokonyora mwana. That's why twachirega igato sensitize abantu beito toba information koruga igato gokora tochikwenda chibarasa tutete kuikera kero monto paka vulnerable groups.
No nyomo chengo yo goko bali maso mwaka nige serikali nebyombe binde byasabiri ko bekemerobeli yo gokonya abasubati konyora sanitary pads asama golia inse.
So it's our call as an organization as AHF Kenya for the government to have a good political goodwill to supply and also to zero rates. Because at the moment we are importing sanitary towels. If the government can zero rate the taxes, it means we can acquire those sanitary materials at a lower price.
Nabone menstrual cup nerororo eye gotumeka even more than 10 years. Nabo monta gotumeka in a cycle just to using one cup ikiagara gotumeka matuko na 5 again take and our access to water. Again to kene to kwanira direct team yetere we are committed. To the next school abari mu committee abayibori even TSC ko make sure chicho chigachi abana nchire safe abaiseke babata chicho chire friendly. Again na agenda go change pad yeri afeel comfortable tanyara ko abo.
Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV ko ruensemo ya Chancellor's Pavilion Kisii